So I've been having some issues with my my PC's case. As you can see, one of the lights down there isn't working on the fans. It's started to malfunction a bit, and it's actually quite old now. I've had this for a number of years, and I've done a video on this which you can watch on my channel when I was actually installing this case, which was really nice case, but unfortunately it's just playing up and it's time to replace it. So I need to disconnect everything from in here. As you can see, I've got the Z97 MSi Z97 motherboard, a number of SSD disks, my graphics card, PSU down there. I need to take all of these out and then put it in the new motherboard, in the new case, and once that's done, hopefully I'll show you everything set up and installed in the new case. So yeah, just another quick PC build if you like, and I'll see you once I get all of that up and running. Okay, so here are all the parts that I've removed from the case. I've got my power supply, which is the VS550, the Corsair, the Z97 MSi gaming motherboard, the RX580 graphics card. It's an MSi one as well, and I've got a 6TB backup drive. This is Western Digital Red, and this has done me really good. I've had this for many years, backed up all my data on it. I've got two SSDs. One is for the operating system, and the other one is a backup. The operating system one is 480 gig, and the other one is 960 gig. So I'm just going to put all of these components back into the new case. I've cleaned them down really well. It was really, all of this was really dusty, because as you know, in cases, a lot of dust builds up. So I've had to clean all that down. I am going to install another SSD drive, an M2 drive, as you can see here, and I'll be using that one for my operating system. And then I will be using these two SSD drives for just backing up data. So yes, let's show you what the case looks like. Here's the new case that I'm going to be installing all of my components in. This is the MAG 120A MSi gaming motherboard, and it's going to go really nice with my MSi motherboard, so which is fantastic, because this case is designed for the MSi motherboard. At the top we've got the LED button, two USB slots, the microphone jack and the audio jack, and the reset button, as well as the power button, which is shaped in the shape of the MSi logo. And then you've got your LED indicators. In terms of fans, you can see 3 fans here, 1, 2 and 3 at the bottom right there. They are all LED, and then you've got the MSi logo just down there. So these are LED fans, which will give it plenty of cooling. And then at the top we've also got 1 fan there and another one just here, so that's 5. And lastly, inside you've got the 6th one at the back. And if we just go into the back of it, as you can see, there's plenty of space in this motherboard, and it's really going to be looking excellent once it's all set up. So let's get the components installed and start setting this up. So here we are, everything is up and running. The fans are a bit loud. I'm going to need to get some software to hopefully control the fan speed and reduce that a little bit. But I did have this problem with the other PC as well, where my fans did used to kick off because the machine was overheating. But it is a lot better now in terms of the cooling. So I've got more fans in there, hopefully much better cooling, and everything seems to be working as expected. Right now the temperature is actually quite high, so it is dropping, as you can see down there. But otherwise, everything is looking good. The only downside, as I said, is, actually I haven't said, but the LED on button, which is just here, that little button that says LED, when I press it, you'd expect the light colors to change, but it actually just only turns it on and off. So there is a software that allows you to actually control the colors. So hopefully I'll try and get that software from MSi, the MSi support page, and get that installed. But otherwise, yeah, it's looking a lot more newer, sleeker. So if you've got a machine that the case is old and you need to replace it, fairly straightforward. Just get your case replaced, and that will give your PC a refresh and hopefully make it look absolutely brand new again. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you have, please do hit the like, subscribe and share, and I will see you in the next video.